For those who are at the dentist so that they can refer back also. Okay, we have a right angle triangle. Then, so when we go to part A, show that the length of AC is 17. AC is part of the right angle triangle ABC. Straight away got right angle, I only think about Pythagoras, Trigo. So, to find the side, I know the two shorter side, so I should be using my Pythagoras. And A, the longest side square is equals to the two shorter side square and added together. From there, I can simplify and find that my AC is 17. Okay, so this part is very easy. Everyone must get this one mark. Then when I'm finding cosine CAB, CAB is this angle inside this small right angle triangle. So again, got right angle triangle, my job very straightforward. Just use Trigo. Cosine is Hey, disappeared. Okay, again my AC longest side square is equals to the two shorter side square and added together. So I can work out AC equals to 17. Then I can go and note it down. My AC is 17. When I want to find the angle, cosine of angle CAB, I have the right angle triangle ABC. So my job is very simple. It is just to use my Trigo. Okay? Tua, ka, so. If I want to find cosine, I need to find adjacent over hypotenuse. And my adjacent hypotenuse is according to the angle CAB. So CAB is here, meaning the adjacent is the side that is touching it. So my AB is my adjacent. Then my 17 is the longest side, so is the hypotenuse. So my cosine CAB is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's equals to 8 over 17. Okay? Then I'm asked to find sine CAD. Sine of CAD. CAD is here. It is an obtuse angle. So I must go and remember my obtuse angle. The sine of this angle, the sine of angle CAD, obtuse, is the same as the acute counterpart. So the sine of CAD is the same as the sine of CAB. The sine of these two angles are the same one. Okay? So if I want the exact value of sine CAD, it is the same as sine CAB. So I must go and find sine of angle CAD. Okay? So sine of CAD is the same as sine of angle CAB. And sine of CAB, opposite is here, 15. At hypotenuse is 17. So I can go and write down sine is 15 over 17. Okay? Then we come to the difficult part. You are asked to find exact value. So the keyword here is exact value of sine ACD. Okay? From the word exact value, That is to say that you want to find the exact value. You cannot find angle, then find back the sine. So if I cannot find angle and find back the sine, it is a clue that I must be looking at the sine of angle ACD. I must be trying to find the angle ACD. What is this sine over here? Okay. Then just now they asked us to find sine of this angle. They guide us to find sine of this angle. Then now we want the angle of CAD. So now we should be looking at the triangle ACD. And triangle ACD is not a right angle triangle. We must be thinking the next step. Can I use my sine rule already? Then I have this sine of this angle. I have the opposite side. I have a pair. I can use this pair to find the other pair. So actually they are asking me to use sine rule. So they want me to use sine CAD with 39. Then use this length AD with this angle. Okay, so that is the direction that I should be thinking. Then I don't know AD, but I can find AD because in the right angle triangle BCD, I know this side, I know this side, I can find this entire side. After I find the entire side, I minus away 8, I know AD already. Then I can use AD to find sine of ACD. So that is the entire thinking process. That is the clue that they give you, that they want you to go and find. So first I have to find AD first. The intermediate step is to find AD. Then to find AD, I have to first find BD. And to find BD, I need to use the big right angle triangle. Okay? So to find BD, I have to first find right angle triangle BCD.
We don't want to see decimals because they ask for find sine or something, cosine or something. They want the exact value. So if you are not expecting a recurring decimal, you're not expecting a decimal. Okay, if you give me angles, or you find the ratio, the Trigo ratio is decimal, it's all wrong. Okay, so you need to think properly before you go and inverse cosine or inverse sine. So how do you find angles? This question is not asking you to find angles.
Yes, we are using Pythagoras to find the side of BD. Huh? About what? Teacher's Day. Actually, I don't really care about holidays one. Okay, after I find BD, I can find AD already. I have found BD is 36. Then AD must be 36 minus 8 lah, 28. Then once I have found AD, now I have found AD, here is 8. Okay? If I draw I just take out this triangle.
Okay, everyone focus on Mr. Ong.
I know the sine of CAB. Then I have this pair. Sine of CAB over 39 is the same as sine of this angle over 8. That is your sine rule. Huh? Hey, sorry, 28. Wow. Okay? Then from this, just from this smaller triangle, I can use my sine rule. Sine of ACD sine of ACD is what I want to find. Then sine of ACD divided by the opposite side is the same as sine of CAD over 39. Okay? Your sine rule. Then, after that, sine of ACD. I make sine of ACD the subject. I just need to multiply 28 over. And sine of CAD just now I found already in part B. Sine of CAD is the same as sine of CAB. I don't need to change to angle at all. The sine of this is 15 over 17. Okay? So, sorry So, the entire sine CAD itself is 15 over 17. Then I just put in the value 15 over 17. I don't need to change to angle at all. Then just press calculator. I will have my sine ACD already. 28 multiply 15 over 17. Then this whole thing divided by 39. Okay? 28 multiplied by sine CAD. Sine CAD itself is a fraction. So I 28 multiply this fraction over 39. It is the same as divided by 39. I key in this, then my calculator will tell me it is 140 over 221. So the numbers, it is all numbers. We don't need to find back the angle. Okay, because a bit small, I cannot see the picture here if I put everything here. So I write there first. Then now, when I write it here, my working will be, I have found AD already. So, sine of angle ACD divided by 28 is equals to the sine of angle CAD over 39. Sine of angle ACD is equals to 28 multiply sine CAD over 39. Okay, just now I write beside the triangle to show you how I get it. So the actual thing is like that. Using sine rule, then I multiply 28 over, And this sine value is what I found in part B. So I just put in from part B, 15 over 17.
Okay, now can I remind everyone, there's nothing in this entire question one that require you to find angle, the actual angle. So I shouldn't see your inverse sine or something and then to try to find the angle. Alright?
The entire question never asks you to find angle. And they stress on exact value of the sine. So they don't want you to inverse, find angle, then sine the angle again. They want you to straight away use the value of sine, the number, the ratio. Okay? Actually, this question very difficult. Maybe. But in the exam, I will say you score the first 2 points. Then your last 3 points maybe you will miss. Then you don't get full marks. You can still get A. Don't get full marks. You can get A without doing all the difficult questions. But you must be very good with your easy questions.
Okay, now just to add on, actually one of your classmates had a totally different working from yours. And he still managed to get exact value. Okay, Anson used area of triangle concept. You can also do that. Okay, that's not wrong.
Correct also.
There are alternative methods to it. But of course,
Oh yeah, disappeared.
focus to let you all do sine rule.
Hey, I tried to move, then disappeared.
Unfortunately, it's not. I think you must always try to press down and save first.
Save,
Yeah, by pressing down, then you will save. If not, it will disappear sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, the rest of you, can you all, after copying, can you look at question 2? Some of you, question 2, one more question now, but I cannot understand the question. Can you look at question 2? If you don't take math, means you drop out of school. You ask your father to find the mainstream school level form. Not that I encourage you one, you want optional, you opt out, not me, okay? But you need math in everyday life. You cannot even calculate simple math.
So why are you going to find angle?
Yeah, okay, obviously you're not a very artistic person. Architect will need to do this. Yeah, but this is the fundamentals of being an architect or just being normal, sensical, whether you can accept a table that is not. Huh? I'm not good enough to be an architect, but I'm good enough to be an engineer. Then you're forever 3 years old. I think a 2-year-old can blast more than you.
Okay, for question 2, what they mean is there is an angle. Then the sine of this angle is 0.5299. Then find back the angle. So this is what they mean. Then you want to find back the angle, you will have to sine inverse this value 0.5299. Then when you key this into your calculator will give you one answer. 31.999. Okay? But they want two possible value. So remember your sine of a theta.
Okay, too loud.
Your sine of two angles have the same value. One is the acute angle, one is the obtuse angle. How we get the obtuse angle back? We get 180 minus 30, 1.999. So you have your two angles. Okay? So you'll get your 32 and your 148. Okay, Ken, question 2 is more straightforward. Once you understand what the question is asking you to do, you should be able to do. Go, go, go. Okay, question 3. Don't have right angle, cannot be trigo, cannot be tuakaso, don't have any angle even. So you don't have a known pair, you cannot use sine rule. So the only way left is your cosine rule. Okay? So for this question, definitely you must use your cosine rule. Cosine rule, a square equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine a. You want to find the largest angle. Largest angle must be opposite the longer side. So they are asking you to find angle Q. Angle Q is your largest angle. Okay? My A and A, they must be opposite each other. If I am finding angle Q, my A must be 12. Because 12 is opposite angle Q. So my positioning is I put my 12 on this side. I put 8 square and 10 square on the other side. Okay? Once you are able to identify which number go where in your cosine rule, just press calculator, you should be able to solve. Yes. Hello. Alia? She went already leh. Hey Alia, you never go meh, dentist? She went already leh. Raya. Oh, Raya not this class ah. Rehan is it? Reha. Reha is here. Yes, dentist.
Oh, Clara.
Yes. What formula thingy? Then a square plus b square. In the exam, you will only be given this one. Huh? Okay. If you want to go and remember that one, you go and remember, but you must know where to put the values. Yeah. But I don't remember that one because I don't like to remember things. So this one is given. Why I don't use this one? Why waste your memory to remember one more thing that is not needed? Huh?
Hey, I did my work.
Huh? Because I slowly do. But I slowly do also so fast. You got hear about Tai Chi? 慢慢来比较快。If you are very sure you won't make mistake, in between you want to skip some of the plus minus, you can. Okay? But make sure your sign is correct. Why 82.8? 82.8 meh? Yeah? 5/41 what? Huh? 5/41 wrong meh? My number wrong ah? Oh, sorry, here I wrote 164 instead of 160. I must leave some trap for y'all. Make sure y'all got do your work. Can. Yeah lah. So I can't get full marks also already.
That's not a real song. I put it on my internal. Then you sing it. So do you teach express math?
I got do with the 4E1, 4E2, those who drop A math this year. Then a few years ago, I teach the Sec 2, Sec 1, Sec 2 express math.
Now you don't teach express math.
This year don't have. This year only the Sec 4 law, I go and do revision with them. Why leh?
I just asked because I saw the express.
Express? No lah, this one is NA Sec 1. Yeah, they changed the book already. Okay, question 4. 5 minutes, do together. Or you all finish, then just see me do. Okay, don't have right angle triangle. So can only be sine rule or cosine rule. I want to find OC. All the values are in the triangle OBC. I want to find OC. Then cosine rule, because don't have any known pair. No known pair, so I have to use cosine rule again. Hey, question 4 is what may come out in your exam. This one is those N-level questions.
Okay, this will be, this is really will be in your level section B. Because just go cosine rule and sine rule. Okay?
Okay, they will want you to identify that you have to use cosine rule. They never tell you sine rule, cosine rule, or trigo, but you have to identify this part. The only possible way is cosine rule. Question 2.
Okay, if I'm not getting wrong, I'm not going to give you that shot. If you look at A and get B, look at the one mark.
Where? Yes, 32.0.
32.0.
Must be 32.0. 1 dp. 1 decimal place, so must have the point 0.
Hey, some of you are trying very hard to catch teachers making mistakes. That's not safe. Okay, but when I tell you angles, temperatures of 1 dp and you don't want to follow, be my guest. Okay, done? No, but it was not exact. Because if you inverse sine that value, right, it was 31.99 something. It was not exact and you rounded off. It was not 32 full stop. It was 31.99 something. You rounded off to 32.0. Okay, we are in the AIH whereby your scientific calculator can give you up to don't know how many SMs. Okay, so you are supposed to be to the most accurate, the 1 dg. So in your NFA exam, if I'm not wrong, don't come to me and ask me for marks. Okay, I already tell you already. Jaded, you dare mark, then you just keep quiet.
Then part B, you must identify this triangle. You can use sine rule.
I think it's a sine. I think it's a cosine.
Okay, the lower triangle, part A, use cosine rule. The upper triangle, you have a pair of known values, so you can use sine rule. So part B, use sine rule. Okay? Then finally, part C, find the area. Definitely half AB sine C. So just apply these 3. Ugh.